Hello everyone, thank you for coming to this presentation. Thank you for your time. I am Putri Kuswadani and I'm responsible from Arsitektur Baroko. Let's move on the next slide. Reason for choosing Baroko architecture. Baroko architecture was chosen for its grandeur, limitation, and ability to evoke emotion and a sense of luxury. The style used the elements such as arches, column carving, breakage, and dramatic lighting to create a powerful and memorable visual imprint. And for today, time is rarely as soon so would like to introduce Baroko architecture in the presentation. Next, background Baroko architecture period. Baroko architecture in a style of built in the Baroque era, beginning in Italy in the late 16th, currently flourishing in the year 1600 to 1790. That's to the Renaissance architecture treasury from the Romans and used in the new theatrical and theatrical way, often express the glory of a Catholic church and an absolute state. Let's move on the next slide. Beverly Palace, build name Beverly Palace, location Rome, Italy. Start quotation 1625. Finish contraction 1633. Architect Gian Lorenzo Bernini, Carlo Maderno, Francesco Baromini. Vocation of the build to the Palazzo Baroni hosts the Gallery Nazionale d'Art article on of the most important collection of painting in Italy. This collection includes Raffles, La Fornarina, Cara- Caravaggios, Judith beheading Holofernes, and Albert portrait and Henry. Beside painting, the palazzo also hosts sculptures including Corradini's Vita Figentuccia. The palace also houses the Italy Institute of Numismatic Architecture Parade. Palazzo Baroni is a 70th-century palace in Rome, Rome, placing Piazza Baroni in the Rione Travi. Today, in-house the Gallery Nazionale d'Art Antica, the main national collection of the old paintings in Rome, and dates back to the early Baroque period of 1584 to 1625. Next, you can see the picture here. The ceiling of the living room is decorated by Pietro da Cortona masterpiece in the Baroque fresco allegory of Providence and the power of Beverly. Next characteristic, Beverly Palace has a H-shape floor plan. The Beverly Palace has an open wing that connects the Sforza wing to the new parallel wings, flanking the hall. Two sets of stairs lead up to the piano nobile and large square staircase by Berdini on the left, and the smaller oval staircase by Beromini on the right. The main block presents three levels of the large window in the arches, heads like glazed arches, and formula that is more Venetian than Roman. On the top floor, the Beromini windows are set in the false perspective that suggests extradited a future that have been copied into the 20 country. Next, let me show the architect Francisco Borromini, Carlo Maderno, and Lorenzo Bernini. Let's move on the next slide. Let me show plan, view, and cute. Next, Baroque architecture concept. Definition of Baroque architecture. The word Baroque is a adapt from a French adjective derived from the Portuguese noun barroco in the Portuguese word in mean large granite stone of irregular shape with a allusion to a pearl. Next, Baroque architecture concept, Baroque architecture philosophy. The art combination on the beginning of this period, the 1600 was saturated with existing realities, which all reference to the perfect realistic new experiments began with exaggeration in the paintings, creating unrealistic or irregular shapes and exaggeration, both the colors and the effect of the original expression of symmetry, turning in the exaggeration with a use contraction color, and five in aisle file to art, where affection and Baroque architecture had to deal with religious and emotional themes. Baroque architecture is also synonymous with dramatic design. Social quarter architecture by the decade of the 16th century, the refined chord, staccato, and mannerisms was no the longer an effective means of expression to counter the attacks made by the Reformation. The Roman Catholic Church of the Council of Trent, 1500 for 45 to 60, 63 to act the propaganda state in which are served as a means to expect and encourage people fight in the current all areas of, of art where effects and Baroque architecture had to deal with religious and emotional themes. Baroque architecture also shows splendor and power so that the people of the time would submit to monarchy and the crown. Next, let's move on to the next slide. Baroque architecture concept, Baroque architecture economy. Baroque architecture developed in the response to a tumultuous period in which thus is a power wanted to us architecture and art as a way to demonstrate power, wealth, and superiority. Baroque architecture also had subtle difference depending on the country. As the Baroque style became popular, location changed its basis to suit their agenda and lifestyle, with the characteristic dome is a generally position in the center of the wheel with intricate motif and decoration. The detailing is very intricate, which adds to opulence and sanctity of the room. Gilded status in the interior and exterior. The statues are made of plaster of marble and have very contrasting color and texture that reflect their luxurious lifestyle, economy, and wealth. The politic Baroque architecture, a style of building in the Baroque era, began in Italy in the late 16th contributed to the Romance, Renaissance, and Renaissance architecture and used in a new theatrical and theatrical way. Often they experience the glory of the Catholic Church in and its absolute architecture and the ornament were on the one hand more and more accessible to the sense, splendor, and the power, and the other hand a visible testament and the word of and power and the courage to make the obedient to the monarchy and the Embaraku architecture. Next, let me show the characteristic. The plan of the corner section incomplete in the curved and circular shape. The pillar and twisted. Next, there are many decoration sculpture to support the exterior and interior, massive scaling, painting, and use of bright color. The next, finally characteristic, luxurious use of color and ornament, white, made made of plaster wood or cement and marble. And in Baroque interior, up this page, significant monumental staircase different from early architecture. Next, option and disadvantage. Option 1, Baroque architecture is known for in a dramatic and theatrical visual expression, the create of sense of move and the life through the use of detail. 2. The harmony with art and music creates a synergistic reality and shape and produce a strong and moral impression. 3. Baroque architecture often use optical effects to create the illusion of a range of tile space. Baroque architecture often use rich and expensive material that give the build of sense of visual luxury and grandeur. And next, the Baroque architecture style integrated structure innovation that made it possible to create large and more complex build. Next, disadvantage. 1. The use of expensive mortar island, intricate details that led to unnecessary excess and high costs. The lack of the simplicity in Baroque architecture, which expensive the exclusive or simplicity and functionality. Next, not suitable for all contexts or environments. Next, care and maintenance intensive. Conclusion. Overall, Baroque architecture offers unique and dramatic visual beauty, but it also has some limit, limited, limited that need to be considered. Finally, let me show list of reference. Wikipedia, Arsitek Britannica, Arsitektur Uma Arsitek ID, Arsitektur Baroque, Wikipedia, Alamicom, and Ediscript.com. Finally, thank you for coming to this presentation. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.